Today we received the faulty iPad Pro 10.5. The problem is that iPad keep reboot repeatedly, stuck on Apple logo and can't enter homepage. Customer required can't restore it for resolving the data. Let's see how our technicians fix it. This is CPB separation heating station. Set temperature to 80 degrees. Heat iPad screen for 5 minutes. Remove it. Suck the bottom of screen with powerful suction cup. When gap appears between screen and back housing, insert with triangle crowbar or e-cooper opening card. Slide along the gap. Separate screen from back housing. Open the screen. Disconnect screen connector flags from mainboard. The whole screen was disassembled completely from back housing. Insert e-cooper opening card to cut off battery power supply to avoid electricity damage. Unbolt all screws on mainboard. Remove mainboard shield. Open flex connectors and antenna connectors on mainboard. Mainboard taken out completely. Power on mainboard only. Let's see how it performs. Power current shows the board still has reboot problem. That means mainboard get trouble. Based on experience, these large inductances often cause reboot problems. How to check it? Let me show you a method. We can touch those large inductances with tweezer, or clap them and shake. Of course, strength depends on personal experience. After inspection, we found this large inductance is losing. Besides, the other two large inductances also lose. Remove 3 loose large inductances from mainboard. Apply soldering flux on inductance baseboard. Clean the residual inductance with the soldering iron. Apply soldering flux on 3 inductance baseboards again. Tin the baseboard, making it saturate, for easy to install inductance later. Then we remove 3 suitable parameter inductances from other mainboard and clean them up. Install them on faulty mainboard to replace 3 loose inductances. After installation, clean it with PCB cleaner. Now, power on mainboard and check power current. We can see power current is different from before. It already can power on. Install mainboard into back housing and install screen to power on. iPad logo appears. Wait for initializing. Enter the home page successfully. Test each function. All functions work well. Have you ever met iPad keep rebooting problem, and how did you repair it? Welcome to leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will launch more helpful videos soon.